Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last content of the issue of debentures, that is writing of discount or the writing of the loss on issue of debentures. Now, the writing of discount and the loss on issue of debentures you may find out by passing the first two issues entries as like issued at discount payable at par, or you may say issued at discount and payable at premium. These two conditions are giving you the knowledge of the value of discount as well as the value of loss. So first of all, you try to understand what is the mean of the discount and the loss. This is called as capital loss, long-term loss. And now this loss is not to be written off with the uh, this amount of the discount is to be written off. Now the condition is saying to be write off first from the general reserve premium. First condition is if you have the premium, you have to take the premiums to minimize it, and then the general reserve, and then the statement of profit and loss to write off first from the year itself, and if the balance remain, and then to be use the methods to write off it. So I think the sequence is given you. If the loss of discount and the loss of premium or redemption is there, the both are there. That means you have to take first the charge, the minimizing from the years itself only, the same year. That means that if you have security premium, use it. Then entry is listed here, security premium account debit, general reserve account debit, or you have the statement in profit or loss account debit. Cover from here first to the discount or the loss redemption, and then use the method for the balance amount. Now the next is the method of writing of the discount or the loss of issue, having two method. One is the fixed installment method and second is the fluctuating installment method. In the fixed installment method, that means the lump sum payment is given to the debentures holder at one time, the whole account is cleared, then the number of years is to be taken to write off the debentures loss. Now example is here, debentures are redeemed after 10 years. So the total amount of the discount, suppose 1 lakh, that means divided by the number of years 10, called as 10,000, every year is to be written off. So this is the value. First, the method will tell you the value of years to be write off. Under the fixed installment method, a fixed amount is to be written off. So that is called as 10,000 here. But the second is the fluctuating installment method is referring to means take the proportions of the debentures outstanding at the end of every accounting year. So on that basis, the ratio is to be calculated, and the ratio is to be used for return of the discount and reducing the every year the discount. So you may see here the solution of the first fixed installment method, how to use. First is company issued 5,000 16% debentures of 100 each at the rate of discount payable at premium 5%. With this condition, you may see the as the issued entry is there. Issued entry is referring to the entries numbers 2 when you are passing. That means you have to pass your first issued entries, and when you are passing 5 plus 5, that means 10. 10 is coming in front of the loss of issue of debenture which you have to write off. So that means the 10 multiplied by the 5,000, the 50,000 is needs to return off. Here I am telling how to write off discount. So I am focusing on the first, the value to be calculated by observing the conditions. And now the two conditions are applied here. Discount issued and redeemable at par, or the second is discount issued and redemption payable, redemption at premium. So now you may see here the total value is 50,000. Number of years are given 5 years. At the end you may see debentures over the 5 years. When it is of the 5 years, divide the value of 50,000 loss by the 5. That means answer is coming every year 10,000 will be written off. So it means every year you have to pass the repeated entry statement in profit and loss account debit to loss on issue of debentures with 10,000 years to year till 5 years you have to pass. When you are passing the 5 year, it means it will automatically closed at the end of discount written off will be closed. Now the examples numbers 2. This is referring to the conditions like rupees 1 lakh issued at 6% and redeemables equally over the 5 years annual installment is given, that is supposing the 20,000 equal amount is word is there, so that means the over the 5 divide by 5 the equal amount is 20,000. It means every year redeeming 20,000. When the every year redeeming the 20,000, it means you have to calculate first the amount of loss. Here the condition is referring issued at discount payable at par. So the loss of the 6% is there only. So the 1 lakh at the rate of 6 is discount value is needs to calculate 6,000. If loss is there, then make addition of the loss also. But here no question is mentioning the having the premium reserve, profit reserve. So it means directly you have to use the ratio on the 6,000. First year to 5 years, you have to see the outstanding debentures. When the first question is saying at the end of the every year. So the first year till end we have 1 lakh debentures. After the payment of 20,000, it is forwarded to the next year 80,000. So in the next year 80, then 60, then 40 and then 20 means every year when you are redeeming at the end of 20,000 at the end of the fifth year when you redeem, nothing will be forwarded to for the sixth year. So calculate the proportion on the basis of the outstanding debentures. It is referring to the total is 15. So now you may see the value of discount is now written off. The last column is discount of value written off. That is 6,000. 6,000 in this proportion, you have to calculate the value of years to year written off. In the first year 2000, second year 1600, then 1200, then 800 and the 4. This value is to be used for passing the journal entry by statement in profit and loss account debit to discount account, discount on issue, or sometime maybe the loss on issue. So when it is passing first year 2000, then 1600, then 1200, then 800 and then 400. Entry is same, value is going to change when the method is fluctuating. In the fixed installment, the entry will be same, amount will be same. So now I'm moving to the account now of the fluctuating method. First the discount account is open and then transfer the debenture account with the 6,000. According to the entry, discount account debit to the debenture 6,000. Now you may see years to year. First year profit and loss is listed with the 2,000, forwarded 4,000, then again charged 1,600, then forwarded 2,400, then write off 1,200 as a name of profit and loss, then forwarded 1,200, then profit and loss with the 800 and then forwarded 400, and when the last year profit is charged 400, then nothing is forwarded. Automatically the account is closed. But when it is a fixed amount, when all the amount is to be scattered equally. So this is the scheme now. Now you may see the one entry is repeated again and again years to year, that is statement in profit and loss account debit to discount. Thank you and make the practice.